Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the Bitcoin, what it done. People, they haven't watched the last video. You missed the opportunity of your life. We been here at 15K and I told you, all of you, anyone who follow me, to buy Bitcoin. I tell that to you guys. Look where we are now. From 15K till 17K. You saw it or not? But that buying here was we buying for long term, not for swing trading, not for day trading. That one us we buying for long term. Remember that, guys. So us for long term, where did we buy the first time? From here. Yes or no? We buy the first buy here when the weekly candle finish it and it break for us. That downtrend we used to have here in that zone. Yes or no? Now the Bitcoin, it came that news or all those things. Also, we don't care about those things because all those things is just noise of the market. Bitcoin, it fall down till here, guys. Yes or no? And watch me, I told you here. I told you buy 50% of your capital. And that 50% will left 25%. Buy it here and 25% put it as a pending order at 12K because that market you can't trust in it. It might all that it can tell here, then it's going to drop to all 12K, guys. So you need to put always the scenarios like that. And that's what me I told you guys. If you miss yesterday video, you miss the opportunity of your life, guys. It will never go back to that 15K. It might from here is going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now people, they haven't buy. What should you do here now? We are at 17K. Should you buy? No, my friend, there is no buying now yet. Everything is too clear. Now we need to wait in what's going to happen, either to break up, and for the people they haven't buy, to put a pending order here by 25% of your capital and another 25% at 12K. And to be an investor, you need to have a stronger heart, guys. And that a wisdom someone, he tell it to me when me I just start the first days of me. He told me investing is like that, believing, waiting and learning. That's what me I'm teaching you here. I'm teaching you how to believe well. There is nothing it came quickly. Anything came quickly, it goes quickly. Look at that Sam, what happened to him. He believed his wealth quickly, it goes quickly. Same thing for you guys. You believe well slowly. There is nothing came very fast. Anything it came very fast, it goes fast. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. One after the European market close and one after the European market close. It's very simple. Down the right button, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. And you can even join us in Telegram if you want, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Now let's going to see why all that happening, guys. I'm going to tell you why. It's going now there. All that happening, guys, because of the news who came today. What is it, that news? Why is it very important, guys? Is the CPI or inflation of USA, guys. You know what happened or no? The previous month we used to be 8.2% inflation. Now this month it came 7.7, guys. What that indicating, guys? What that indicating to you? That indicating the inflation, it's pivoting, guys. It started going down like that. It give you like a peak like that. That's what it's showing here, the inflation, guys. That man, because that one is an indicator alone, that CPI is an indicator for the Fed. The Federal Reserve, when they saw the CPI or inflation of USA is going higher, then they make an interest rate to go more higher. Why? To take it off all the currency is it in the country. Yes, I don't need to make that video long, but I need just to try to explain to you those things. And when they will saw it is getting lower and lower and lower, they will started easing, guys. Now all those months us we being, the Fed is being tightening, guys. And that they call it the economical cycle, guys. You need to follow that economical cycle like that. And there is one person in YouTube, his name Ray Dalio or something. Sorry if I don't mention the name. Actually, he got a hedge fund in USA and he's very famous. He explained it how it's working, that cycle. And in every cycle, there is small cycles like that. If you want to learn about it. By the way, that's not our topic. So now here, as you see it, guys, it came negative. That's something very, very good here. Another thing here, what is it? The jobless claim. That's when people, they're losing the job of them and they claiming for benefit. What happened to them? Last month, we used to be 218k. This month we be in 225k. That's why more people they still losing the jobs of them. And that even that one is a part of the cycle, guys. The Fed he want the unemployment rate to reach between 4 to 5% and don't pass the 5%. And that's what we're seeing, guys. See yesterday Facebook they fire 11k workers. You see all those things. That's what's happening, guys. Now everything is too clear, guys. And another thing very, very important here happening, guys. Look at it. What you're seeing, guys, here. All US stocks, they are green today, guys. Yes or no? And our friend, guys, look at it. The VIX. What it's showing to you today. 23.38. We get below 25, guys. Also 25, we told you to buy. Now we get below 25. That's when the things is getting now good those days. Yes, it's still 3 points, but those ones just coming days is going to fall down, guys. You see it or no? That's why me, I told you guys, when you're investing with us, you're investing with professional people. Not people, they never ever trade. They just come in using technical analysis. Also, we give you fundamental, then we go into technical analysis. Everything is too clear, guys? Yes, it's still a little bit, but I think it's the right time, guys. Remember that. And the US dollar today fall down, guys, as you see it, 108. So now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, look at it. We touch here. You see it or no? How it bounced. If that candle closed like that, you're going to see it going higher, guys. Remember my word. And another thing here, very, very important. I forgot to show it to you in the last video, guys. What is it, that thing? Look here, from that peak, that one to that one, guys. Look at it. I'm going to bring that one here to the chart and that one here to the chart. By the way, that one we got here a trend line and we tried to connect it like that. And as you see it, guys, we got here that white trend line till here. You see that white one, that one. What it's showing to you here? It's showing to you also we're falling. And here in our indicator, guys, what it's showing? Here down, it's showing it's going up. It's a very, very, very clear divergence, guys. That's why me yesterday, when it fell down, me I know it because me I'm an investor. I've been into that market for long, guys, and I know what I'm talking about. I know all those things. I've been followed thousands of times. In 2015, we do the same thing, guys. In 2018, we do the same thing. 2018, me exactly, personally, I'm talking to you, me. I buy from 6K. Then he dropped till 3K something or 3,000. Then after that, it just touched that 3,000. Then after that, you see it, it went up till 60K, guys. Now we do it the same thing this year. From 20K, we dropped till 15K. Then after that, you see it, boom. Remember my word, guys. I'm going to come back in the future and I'm going to tell it to you guys. But the way how you need to buy slowly, guys. You need to learn how to manage the risk of you. That's how you build in wealth, guys. Everything is too clear. So our indicator, guys, it touch here now. It's going out. Yes, also we're still here in a downtrend. As you see it, we're still down here. But that one is just technical analysis, guys. Also, we focus about fundamental analysis for long term, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys, as you see it. You see that candle or no? It's still pushing up and up. By the way, here, we got a small price action here in that zone. To see it, let me show it to you. Just came like that, you change it from candles to a line. As you see it now, what did you see here? A double bottom, guys. If that 4 hours, the one which is going now close like that, you can enter long now. Why? Because that 4 hours candle, it's breaking that level, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Tell her where it might go. From here, it might go till the 200 moving average. Then maybe we're going to see another drop, maybe a correction like that to give you a second chance to enter. Then after that to go higher. We don't know exactly, guys. Then to give you here a double bottom like that. And also every day we came to you, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification So when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, my friend. That's for the benefit of you, my friend, not for our benefit. Also, we just give you here analysis, and we don't earn any money from that YouTube. If you're thinking also we're earning money, also we don't earn even $20 per month. Our channel is still very, very small compared to those bigger people. They earning a lot of money and they don't give you any value, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So I'm just going to say our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, it touch here, now it go out inside. The same like how it happened here. If that 4 hours candle close like how it is, you can enter long, guys. Remember my word. Now what the view here, I told you it might is going to come till here like the same thing like how it happened here, maybe to give you another going down, to give you here a divergence or something that is going to indicate the market is going to reverse very, very sharply if it give you here down a divergence, guys. But I think it's still a little bit early till now. Everything is too clear, guys. You get what I'm saying or no? Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, the same thing, guys. We're still here at the oversold area. Yes, we don't got any price action here indicating we can enter long. So we need to wait in the market to give us here for swing trading. I'm talking here to give us here a price action for us to enter. And if you remember the wisdom I told you yesterday, you can't catch in a falling knife. The falling knife, it needs to fall down to touch the floor, then to bounce for you to catch it, guys. Here it's been a falling knife. Yes or no? What it done? Touch the floor. Now it started bouncing, guys. It need to make like that, bouncing. To give you here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Everything is too clear, guys. Hear me. I'm talking about swing trading, guys. Not long term or anything else. Swing trading. It's need to give you here a price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here in 30 minutes, if you remember what else we said in the last video, you can find it still in the channel, guys. What else we said? We said like that. We said we got here a channel. If it's been broken higher here, we enter long, guys. That's what we said in the last video. You can find it still in the channel. What it break here exactly. You can enter from here. Till now you are in profit. And another thing here in 30 minutes, guys, what the market gave you here. That double bottom also we show you in the 4 hours, guys. You see it or no? Even that one, you can follow it. It will give you enter long till here. Till the 200 moving average, guys. Our indicators, what they saying, guys. Let's see then. Our indicator, as you see it, will be in here at the oversold area all along, guys. Now we're getting closer to the overbought area. That's what me I told you. Those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. Don't base you trading on them. As you see it, where it enter to the oversold area, guys. Look at it. From 21k till where? Till 15k, guys. That's a big falling down, guys. Will have a margin call came to you if you're using the leverage. Without doubt, it's going to come to you no matter how much is it your capital. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, what should you do? The people that enter long from that level here, we show you yesterday. Now they are in profit and they are waiting. They want to go more higher, guys. Till the 200 moving average, they are going to take some profit. That's how professional people they trade, guys. Our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. It's it. That one here. If you remember, also we tell you here, we got here a divergence like that. We say thousands of times that one. Look where it is. It's near to the overbought area. Not the power of analysis, guys. You don't need to make things very complicated and people they watching you, they don't understand nothing. Everything is very simple like that. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.